This project was one of the most talked about projects that I've ever did before. Hi guys, welcome back to Do It Yourself Sis. I'm Monay. So today I'm going to work on a really fun project. I'm going to show you guys how I made these African inspired masks. These masks were a part of my baby shower and they turned out really nice. Everybody at the baby shower loved them. I thought it would be fun to make another mask to show you guys how I made these African masks because that project was like the talk of the town. Everybody loved the mask. Everybody wanted to take them home and people still was asking me about the mask even after the baby shower. So stay tuned and we're gonna get started. So here is all of the materials that I will be using for this project. So I'm going to use this magazine for my strips of paper. So I'm just going to cut these into little strips and then I'm going to cut these strips in half. So now I'm going to cut my water container in half. So now I'm going to pour my glue in a bowl and I'm going to get started with adding my pieces of paper to my water jug. You can see that I use the handle part of the water jug because I love that it has a shape of a nose. So I'm going to add my final few pieces and I'm going to let this dry overnight. Now I'm going to get started painting. I'm going to use this paint that I pre-mixed. It's just bronze and black mixed together. So I'm going to allow this to fully dry before I start painting my designs. So here is where I started creating some designs on the mask. I really didn't have a pattern or anything. I just freestyled. So you can get as creative as you want with this part of the project. So I decided I wanted to cut out some eyes, so I'm just using my Sharpie to make some guidelines, and then I'm going to use my box cutter to cut out the shape. So now I'm ready to add some hay to the mask with my hot glue gun to create some hair. So I'm going to gather some pieces of hay and I'm going to rubber band them together to add to the bottom of my mask with some hot glue. Finally, I'm going to add these beads to my mask with my hot glue gun for embellishments. Hey guys, I really enjoyed making this mask again. It was really fun, and I just thought it would just be really cool to show you guys how Yama and I decorated the grass wall for my son's birthday. So guys, try to think about reusing some of the recycled materials that you have in your home to repurpose them into some really cool projects. So I hope this inspired you to try to make this mask. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we hope to see you again. Bye.